We are the Diz Kids, and today we are going to be riding Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, so let's go! Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is a runaway train-themed roller coaster set in the Wild West. The train rushes around the abandoned town of Tumbleweed. It races through mines, caves, and around mountain peaks. It also passes a T-Rex skeleton.
The coaster is located in Frontierland, in the Magic Kingdom next to Splash Mountain. Along with Space Mountain, these are considered the three mountains of Disney World. The ride time is about 3 minutes, and its top speed is about 36 miles per hour. The mountains are based on Utah and Arizona.
The minimum height requirement for Big Thunder Mountain is 40 inches. The ride is handicapped accessible with a separate entrance. These riders do not use the same queue and must be able to transfer into a car to ride. Each train can hold about 30 guests with 2 riders per row. This ride may close for heavy rain or extreme weather.
This coaster is considered a medium thrill ride. There are no loop-de-loop inversions or steep drops, but many sharp turns, small drops, and bumps. Inside the mines, this ride can get very loud. This could be scary or unpleasant for young riders.
Big Thunder Mountain Railroad was created by legendary Imagineer Tony Baxter. It was based on an older concept from Mark Davis that was not used called the Western River Expedition. Baxter wanted to build it as far back as in 1973, but construction did not begin until 1977. Disneyland's version opened in 1979 and Disney World's opened September 23, 1980.
This is a good ride to get a fast pass for. Wait times for this can exceed 90 minutes on busy days. Thunder Mountain Railroad has one of the longer waits of Disney World. Other options include rope dropping this ride or riding it during the fireworks. You can get great views of the fireworks while riding this ride. And now join the Diz Kids for the wildest ride in the wilderness, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. what's our favorite part and our not favorite part. So Hayden, you go first.
My favorite part is the big drop when you once you get out of the big mine, the really fun drop. And I don't have a least favorite part because all of it's fun. The only thing is, in the mines, just a little recommendation, it gets loud, really loud.
Yeah.
So just wanted to let you know.
So my favorite part is basically the whole thing. It was fantastic, but I don't have a least favorite part.
So it is grading time from A to F. So let's see, what is your grade?
Mine is an A+. It's a great ride, fun for the whole family.
Mine is an A+ because it's really fun. It has a lot of adventure and it's very fun to ride. And my mom's rating and my dad's rating is both an A+. So this is a great ride. I recommend you should ride it a lot because it usually gets pretty busy. So I recommend getting a fast pass. So thank you and we'll see you next time.